Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So it is currently Friday morning at 6:30, basically 6:25, but it's the same thing. So yeah, it is Friday morning. We're doing something today at my favorite place, CYC, Culinary Youth Center. Might not know about it, but most of you probably do. So basically, you just go there to have fun and stuff. And today, me and Joe are doing something very fun. If you don't know who Joe is, he's just one of my best friends. And we're doing something there. This is just my Friday life. I'm not gonna film at school because I'm not allowed to, but we're gonna bring this. Going downtown since our school is about 1,000 feet from downtown. And we're gonna do a bunch of stuff down there, get some candy and stuff, and then head back to the youth center, set up. This is going to be basically like a behind the scenes. Yeah, if you want to see the real thing, go to the youth center website, ays.com. I'll probably have a link in the description if they let me. But yeah. Beautiful. Oh my god! What to get? What to get? Just kidding, I know what I'm gonna get. Boom! My huge. I get it every single time. Every single Friday that we've come down, I've gotten this. So we got a lot of rope, and we're gonna do the thing on the field, and then it's farther. I know it's farther over this way than I thought it was gonna be.
Okay. He said he was good.
You guys.
Okay, I'm going out now.
Made in Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
Where is Sri Lanka?
This should maybe go like here.
Remember what the letter S looks like? Tail's gonna be.
No, the Y.
The A could get a little skinnier.
It's okay.
Okay, yeah.
But the Y needs to move over towards the S.
Yeah.
You all staying in one spot?
Yeah.
Sick. Like, does it like go with the wind? Like, does the wind like not affect it?
Not really, because it's so strong.
You probably might not get it. Close.
Off a part of his nose. Oh. No, I thought. They got like boxer shoes.
Windy out.
Isn't there a land button?
Yeah, but I'm gonna do it manually. I just don't trust it right now. It's too windy.
And touchdown. Fidget spinner. Just got it. Set it up. Hey, Joe needs me. What?
They have this shopping cart.
How much is it? $69.99.
That's actually not that much.
It's expensive.
That's not that much.
No, that.
We were supposed to leave like an hour ago.
What?
I told my mom that we.
Okay, so now I'm going to sleep over at Joe's again. This time it's gonna be with Cray, and I'm bringing my RC car and this and my fidget spinner and can't do it with one hand, especially my left hand, and some Iceberg Duos and some candy and... Did I mention this? I did. But yeah. And also, while I'm getting ready, I will play that drone clip that I did. I had to film it on my phone because we used the SD card for this. So because their SD card was out of storage, so we had to use the SD card from the camera that I'm using right now to put in there. So as of right now, it's on my camera. So I'll just show that to you right now.
And I was trying to run out back to like go.
So like at this point, you can like edit it and just have like whatever going on.
Sick.
And
Oh,
then-
that was really.
That's everyone. That's like
Not everyone.
There's Joel.
not a lot of people though. Yeah, you can tell us.
Oh wait, we say AYS, so you might want to turn it on.
Probably can't hear with all the sound.
No, these shorts are not dirty. You saw me take them out of a little pile. No, these are not dirty. Okay, done. I barely even pack anything, because this is really all I think I need. Well, other than like my RC and stuff. But yeah, let's get that packed up. I don't even know where the body clips are. Found one. Got a body clip. 2 and 3. My car only takes 3 body clips since it's a Rustler instead of 4, so got those. And yeah, it is not charged. I have not driven it in forever. But yeah. Okay, so car. Okay, let's go. The last time I drove this was actually in one of my videos where it's like covered in snow. So I can't show that clip. Because I don't keep those videos on a hard drive or something. I should though. I should get like a terabyte drive and just keep every single clip. But yeah, let's go to Joe's. Action! Oh, I'm gonna hit it! Oh. My arm got it! Okay, ready? Alright, throw it at me. Not at the... You can't throw it at this! And no, I wasn't aiming for you. I'm calling it bossness. Oh, that was awesome. Pop.
Oh.
I popped. Okay, I'm covering the back. Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
Okay. 1,000 mile an hour fidget spinner.
Pretty fast. It's going. Probably not 1,000 miles an hour, right?
What do you say it is? You can hear it getting faster. It looks like it's going backwards.
It does.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Go ahead. Oh,
Look
that's
at that.
It made a pretty good dent.
Ready? Yep. Bottom. Nope. Bottom. Top. It looks so weird.
Yeah. Look at that.
I'm dead.
Okay.
Start.
Turn it off.
No. Oh. This is gonna be going for so long.
I know.
I'm gonna speed this clip up.
It's already been 10 seconds.
It's not gonna get to 30 minutes.
It's close. It's done.
So-
2:41.
Oh, 2 minutes 41 seconds. Point 58. Oh, I caught that. Fine. Okay. Change plans. Cool. Okay. Where are the rackets? The rackets are right here. No! Oh no! That was way too short. Oh! That was so close. No! Okay, turn it up. Turn it up more. Go to 5.
No, put it forward.
We could probably spin it this fast.
Yeah. It's actually weird. It feels so weird.
Okay, I don't want to.
I need to do it like everyone. Wait, is it at 4?
Well, guys, I am. Why are you so excited? You've never been excited for me. Well, basically, as I was saying, I'm gonna have to end this video here. Hey. So, yeah. I have to edit. It is already 10:22. Already 10:22? Not already 10:22, but it's 10:22. So basically, yeah. I had a lot of fun at Joe's, and yeah, peace out.